Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are learning AWS services. Start with EC2. Imagine needing a super powerful computer without actually buying one. That's exactly what EC2 does. EC2 it stands for Elastic Compute Cloud and it is the one of the most popular AWS service. Instead of purchasing expensive physical machines, companies can rent virtual servers through the internet within a minute. From small startups to platforms like Netflix, everyone uses cloud services today. So, in this video, let's understand how EC2 changed modern computing forever. The problem before EC2. Before cloud computing, launching servers was slow, expensive, and stressful. Companies had to buy physical hardware, wait for delivery, set up server rooms, and manage everything manually. And here's the worst part is, even after spending huge money, server could still sit unused most of the time. Now imagine sudden traffic spikes, a website goes viral, could completely crash system. Business needs a faster and smarter solution, and this is where EC2 change everything. What is EC2? So what exactly is EC2 is? EC2 allows you to rent virtual servers directly from AWS through the internet. No physical setup, no hardware maintenance, no waiting for weeks. You simply choose your server, launch it and start using it within a minute. And the best part is you can scale anytime depending on your needs. Whether it's tiny project or a global application, EC2 can handle both. How EC2 works? Launching an EC2 server is surprisingly simple. Firstly, you choose the server type depending on your workload. Then you select an operating system like Linux or Windows. After that, you launch the instance. And within a minute, your server becomes live and accessible from anywhere in the world. AWS handle all the physical infrastructure behind the scene while you focus only on your application. Why companies use EC2? So, why do companies love EC2? Because it's fast, scalable, and cost effective. Need more server during heavy traffic, EC2 can automatically scale within a second. Need global deployment, AWS provide infrastructure across multiple regions worldwide. And unlike physical servers, companies only pay for what they actually use. This flexibility is one of the biggest reasons modern applications depend on EC2 today. We are taking an example like Netflix. Now imagine this, a brand new Netflix show get released and suddenly millions of people press play button at the same time. Normal systems could crash under the pressure but EC2 handle this automatically. As traffic increases, AWS instantly launches more server behind the scene. And when traffic drops, extra servers shut down automatically. No downtime, no buffering, no panic. That's the real power of cloud computing. EC2 versus physical computer. A physical computer has fixed power and fixed limitation. If performance becomes slow, upgrading hardware costs money and time. But EC2 is completely different. You can increase or decrease resources anytime within a minute. Think of it like renting a car instead of buying one. You only use what you need when you need it. EC2 completely transformed the way modern applications are built and scaled. Today, businesses no longer need huge server rooms to launch powerful applications. With EC2, anyone can access cloud computing from anywhere in the world. And this is only the beginning of AWS. Thank you for watching and follow Now I See for more simple and visual tech explanations.